In the small village of Thano in Uttaranchal, northern India, classes stop at 11:30 for lunch. But before the children can eat, water has to be brought for cooking. It is often children like Aarti and her friend Priya who help Manju fetch water from the nearest water source over a kilometer away. 26-year-old Manju, who works as a midday cook, has little time for herself. Fetching water takes up nearly a quarter of her day. In the village of Thano, only half of the families have access to tap water through a project funded by the World Bank. The other half, who cannot afford the connection fee, have to walk to get water. Ironically, Thano is not only connected by road, but is merely 20 kilometers away from Uttaranchal's state capital, Dehradun. In 2000, when the new hill state Uttaranchal was formed, the Chief Minister had promised each and every household a guaranteed supply of 40 litres a day within the year. This promise was particularly important to people in the rural areas. Today, more than 19,000 out of the total 40,000 villages still have no access to drinking water and are forced to walk kilometers to fetch water. For Manju, each day begins and ends with collecting water. She makes at least 4 journeys through the forest to collect 60 liters of water, which takes her more than 3 hours. Surprisingly, the state of Uttaranchal has one of the highest levels of rainfall in India and has more water than it can use. Over 66,000 cubic meters of rainfall every year, and yet less than 1% is harnessed for domestic consumption. The rest flows downstream to join India's major rivers.
Basically, the scarcity of water in the state is not a technical problem. It is a question of management, and that is directly related to who owns the water. Traditionally, water has been owned by the local communities in a de facto manner, and because people were owners of their local water resources, they took care to husband the water properly. Since 1975, the state has declared itself to be the owner of all the water in the region. And therefore, it has also taken the responsibility of supplying the water. But the state's capabilities are totally inadequate, and therefore we have scarcities.
But it's not just drinking water that's the problem. Lack of water management has also meant that families are forced to depend on rainwater for irrigation. With the exception of the monsoon season, their land is often too dry and barren to be productive. Over the years, there has been a mass exodus of young men from the hills in search of work. And in their absence, the burden of looking after land and family falls on women.
सुबह उठ के काम करना.
After getting up in the morning, there's lots of work to do, like lighting fire, getting children ready, sending them to school, and taking care of animals, and then getting water. After finishing all this, I leave for school at 11:30. I finish all the work here, and then I go to the jungle to fetch fuel and fodder. I get home late in the evening, and that there's a lot of work to do at home. If there was water easily available, all my problems would have been solved.
तो मेरी सारी परेशानियां दूर हो जाती.
For women like Manju, the political changes around her have meant very little. Most of the government's water schemes have not gone beyond the planning stages.
अभी हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट तैयार किया इन चाल खालों को रिवाइव करने का करीब हमारे जो है
Right now, we have started a program. There are 4,000 villages and there are around 45,000 natural water resources. And to revive them, at least $5 million is required. And we want to implement this project within 3 years with the help of the village people.
कोशिश है कि हम ये गांव वालों के माध्यम से सिर्फ गांव वालों के माध्यम से इस प्रोजेक्ट को हम इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं 3 साल
But many villagers have given up waiting. People like Vijay Pamar and village elders from Pawala Soda decided to approach the government to solve their water problems. And in 2002, a 1.5 kilometer pipeline finally connected the village to its water source.
95 इंटर करने के बाद हम लोग जो है ग्रेजुएशन में थे, जो मेरा दोस्त है साथ में जो लड़के हैं दो था, तो मतलब हम ऐसे बैठ के मतलब विचार करते
In
थे
95,
कि मतलब
while in
इतना
graduation,
पानी है, सिंचाई
that time we used to sit around and discuss how jobs were not available.
कोचिंग ले रहे थे, कहीं जॉब की तैयारी कर रहे थे।
But when we thought, by making water available, we could grow cash crops.
अगर माना हमारे यहाँ
That's what we thought in the beginning.
जो है खेती पे जो है हम वर्षा पे जो आदत हमारी खेती होती है, ये ट्रेंड पूरा हट जाएगा, हम लोग जो है
So, we planned and we wrote letters to the government, met many ministers, and that's how the work got started.
होती थी कैसे क्या करेंगे। फिर उसके बाद जो हमने फिर लेटर में लिखना शुरू किया, गवर्नमेंट को लिखा और कैसे मंत्री से मिले या मतलब वो वहाँ पूरे बातचीत के बाद जो है ये काम हुआ है पूरा।
Today, the village of Pawala Soda is able to grow financially viable cash crops and generates more than 6 times the produce compared to its neighbors. Not surprisingly, few men choose to leave this village.
The current policy is based on the premise that the state is the owner of all the water, that the state knows best, that the state has all the powers to allocate water for competing uses. And in this policy framework, I do not think that the problem of scarcity can ever be solved. What we require is a decentralized approach where, as I said earlier, people have to be de facto owners of their water resources.
In the state capital, many elected village members would also agree.
वाटर मैनेजमेंट का जहाँ तक खासकर सवाल है तो
People who do the planning sit inside air-conditioned room. Such people can't understand grassroots problems. A person who is from the village and has grown up there understands local issues better and can take care of them. Panchayats can do it, but they don't have enough funds. Until the panchayats are strong enough, government will have to provide funds.
जब तक पंचायतें संसाधन से मजबूत नहीं हो जाती
But panchayat should have all the rights to manage water, and it should be their duty to save the water.
पंचायत सोचे कि अपने गांव का पानी कैसे बचाना है।
But according to the chief minister, the issue of Uttaranchal's water ownership is not up for negotiation.
Well, ultimately, it is the responsibility not only of the panchayats but also of the government. It has to be a combined effort. The government of India will fund it, the program, in a massive manner throughout the country. The government of India will also be an indirect partner because they are giving us the funds. So therefore, let us not stratify it and subject in look at the matter in compartmentalized manner. Let us have a look at it from the national point of view and dovetail all possible resources for serving the ultimate objective.
While the debate goes back and forth between the state government, central government, and the people over water rights, villagers like Vijay Pamar see self-reliance as the best
उन्होंने
option.
हमारा मतलब न्यूज़पेपर में हमारे प्रोजेक्ट को जब उन्होंने देखा, लोगों ने इसको पढ़ा, तो लोगों को
There
जब
were lots of people who came to us after reading the newspaper and asked us how did we complete this project. We told them in detail how we managed to succeed. We believe if somebody wants to do something, no one can stop him. If we can do it, anyone can.